Good morning, I'm so happy to see you today, obviously because today is Science Day. It's my favourite day of the week. But before we get to do our science experiment, let's welcome in the day together. Do you have your son? Your son? My son's a bit kind of messed up right now, so I'm going to use my hands. I need to make a new one. But if you have yours, use that. Are you ready? Let's go. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. What's your name? Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Ready? Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias.
Muy bien, gracias.
¿Y usted?
¿Y usted?
Did you hear Elizabeth in the background there? She was helping us with our morning song. But what day is it today? Let's take a look at the calendar. So if yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday, it means today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Can you help me, please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is Wednesday, July 8th. Hoy es el miércoles, el 8 de julio. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Los días de la semana son 7. Son 7. Los días de la semana son 7. Son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son 7. Son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like with you today? Here it is raining. It is really, really raining. If you listen really hard enough throughout this video, you might hear the rain over here. So I'm going to sing about the rain, but you sing about whatever the weather is like with you, and we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today, and rainy was the weather. R-A-I-N-Y, 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 and rainy was the weather. Today is Science Day, and we have a super cool experiment. It's an experiment that starts off asking a question. And that question is, does air weigh anything? Weigh. It's an experiment about weight. You get it? The letter sound in the week. Weight. Does air, does it weigh anything? Doesn't feel that heavy to me. Can you feel it? Wave your hands really fast. Can you feel the air in between? Yes. Do you think it weighs anything? Think it weighs as much as I do? Maybe as much as a golf ball? Let's do an experiment to find out. Are you ready? Let's see what I've got on my tray. It's actually pretty simple today. On my tray, I have 2 balloons, the same. They came in the same packet. They don't have to be the same color, but they are the same color. They have to be 2 balloons that are the same balloon. I have a skewer, but you don't need to use a skewer. If you have a piece of wood, you have a long piece of cardboard, that would do. I have 3 pieces of yarn, 3 pieces of wool that I cut out, and these are the scissors I used to cut it. And I also have a drawing pin, a push pin. You'll see that's for an exciting part. Now, the first part I'm going to do is get a piece of yarn. I'm going to tie it onto my skewer in the middle. Can you see how we're basically making our own scale? Tie it into a simple knot. If you need help with this part, you can ask for mommies and daddies. Remember, use a table. Easier if you do it that way. Yarn. Now, I'm going to try and get it in the middle so it balances out the weight of my actual skewer to begin with, and this will help when I put my balloons on it. Okay. Ready? Now, I have to blow up my balloons. You might need help with this part too. Ready? Did you hear some of the air come out of it? Tie the end. Wrap it round your finger, push the middle through. I'll blow up both of my balloons, but right now I'm going to show one to show you. You take another piece of my yarn, tie it around the end of my balloon. Around the end of my balloon. Just using a very simple tie. Squeaky, squeaky. Balloon. I'm going to do that with both of my balloons, and then I'm going to tie my balloons to the end of my skewer, to both ends of my skewer, and I'm going to balance it out. And that's as simple as it is. So here's one that I made earlier. My balloons, okay? Can you see? Now, there we go. It's more balanced. It's not quite balanced. You just have to find it's only the right balance with your balloons. Can you see both my balloons? Here we go. It's not quite balanced there, huh? Let's see. Okay. So, does it weigh anything? It doesn't feel that heavy to me. I mean, I can feel the balloons. So I have my balloon and they're balanced. I'm holding it by the string, just holding up higher so you can see. Let's see if they have any weight. Well, how are we going to do that? Watch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What happened? Did you see what happened? My scale dropped when I popped the balloon. This confirms that air has weight. Air has weight. We feel the weight on our shoulders when we're walking around, although you don't really realize that it's there. But a good example of that is when you're in water. Do you feel the weight of the water? Well, air is the same, because guess what? Air is actually a liquid. What? Air is actually a liquid. Air is made up of lots of molecules that are not that close together, and it can't be formed into a shape. You can't put it in a box and form it into that shape with your hands and put it in there. Air is actually a liquid. It's a fluid. So air has weight. Gases are fluids. Air has weight. Isn't that exciting? Try the experiment at home with your balloons. You might need somebody to help you pop it, and see what happens when you have your scales balanced or you're holding them and you pop one. See if it just drops on one side. It's fun. So we're going to finish today with a little rhyme just about air. We can wave our hands around in the air. Air. You cannot see it. You cannot touch it. You can feel it on your skin. You can blow it. You can fill it like a balloon. With a deep breath, take it in. The air, the air, the air is everywhere. So let's pretend we're blowing up a balloon for our pranayama today. Yes. All right, are you ready? Get your balloon. We're gonna breathe in and out into our balloon. It's gonna be a big one. Breathe in and out. And in. Last one, in. Pop! Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining me. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, we are gathering some dirt, some soil, and checking out the layers of the soil in another kind of experiment, I guess. We're going to be learning all about that and doing a fun song again. I can't wait to see you. Oh, remember, if you've not already, go and click that subscribe button. Help me to help you. I want to keep making these for you. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.